Alright, Ryan.
Well, it is the end of March, and as you can see, it's a blizzard outside, and I have cars passing me. I'm going 45. There's this world that's full of donkeys.
What time did we leave Stillwater?
Probably about an hour and a half ago.
I think we left at 11. It is now 1:30.
No, we didn't leave at 11.
Okay, 11:30.
We probably left an hour and a half ago. We still had about another 30 minutes. At one point in time, we were going 20 miles an hour.
We were being safe, Mom and Dad.
That we were.
Tell them how stressed you've been.
Only at the midway point of this journey.
I would say from the time we left Stillwater till about an hour ago. He was kind of mean.
Whoops.
Not cool. Okay, we've seen two semis who've run into each other.
And jackknifed on the side, like in the middle of the road.
And then we've seen two trucks in the snow. And then about
12 cars.
12 cars.
All wrecked or pulled. Yeah, bad news.
Yeah. And they're breaking. I can't stand those windshield wipers. Okay, well.
Bye-bye.
Bye.